So now let's understand how new layers work inside of Pixlr E. So here you can see that I have a blank document, and if you want to work around with a new layer, then what you can do is you can go around over here, and here you can see that there's this little plus button. So once you click over here, you can see that you have 5 options. As you hover over as well, you see the same option. You got frame, you got shape, you got image, text, and then you have empty. So if I were to click on this, go to empty, then it's simply an empty layer. So you can go around over here, paint it out, and then you can see that it stays on that empty layer. So you can do anything with the empty layer as per what you want. You can click on plus. You can also directly select a text layer so that now a text is there. So you can see a text is there and it's brought in as a text layer, and you can edit this out according to what you want. You can click on the plus button, and over here another type of layer is image layer. Once you click on it, it opens up your Explorer window, as you can see, so you can go around and then import out an image. So let's say I'm going to go around. There you go. This is an image layer right here. Then if you were to click over here, there's shape. So a shape is brought in. You can work around with the settings right here to change the shape according to what you like. You can go around over here, and then you can see frame is an option as well. So if I were to click on frame, then this is what you have. So you can go around right here, double click on it, and then insert out an image right here, and this is how the frame works. And that is how you can work around with new layer option inside of Pixlr E. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.